Hey there, you tired of losing money in the stock market? Give me 30 seconds and let me show you how you can make money nearly every day trading. Let me show you my 3 recent trades, okay? So this first one here is EOLS. So we have a system here that is magic line here that when we get a bounce off that line, we're very interested in the trade. And then we got a signal from our dots. We took the trade, we moved it up here, and we made 70% on the trade. Here's the next trade we took. Okay, this trade is Freeport-McMoRan. Same thing, it crossed through our magic line. We already had the trend dots in our favor. We took the trade and we're still in the trade and we're making money on this thing, and we used options. So again, this is almost a double for us. And then the third trade we took was our best one yet. In fact, our best one for this year is that we went ahead and we bought this trade right here, down here in the low 20s. We used options. We're still in the trade. This trade's up over 200%. We find these all the time, all day long. We want to help you make money in the stock market. Now that you know that, this is what I'd like you to do. I want you to sign up for our free 7-day trial. And with that, you get access to our traders, our trading room, our best signals, and our past trades. So you can check us out. We have a 70% win rate. We've been doing this a long time. You'll be glad you did. No obligation, absolutely worth your time. If you have a mobile app, what I want you to do is click right here. If you have a desktop app, I want you to click right over here. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.